says all to all personalized communication over a ring. Here we have taken 6 nodes. So I zoom it out so that will not be difficulty for you. Okay, so this looks complex, but it is very easy. See, we'll go step by step so you will understand. These are the 6 nodes or 6 processes. So this is zeroth process, this is the first process, second process, third process, fourth process, fifth process. Okay, so they are linearly arranged. Okay, linearly arranged, and they are arranged in a ring structure. What are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are given? Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are given. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are given. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the step number. Just remember, these are the step number. In the sense, first step, so this communication will be done at the same time, parallelly, simultaneously this communication will be done, and it is also step number 1. At the same time, this is also step number 1, this communication will be done. At the same time, this is also 1, this communication will be done. So this step 1, all these communications will be done parallelly. Now we'll come to the second. So we'll go step by step so you will understand properly. This I'm telling what this number stands for, and what do you mean by these numbers, what do you mean by these numbers, and afterwards we'll see what the actual communication is done. Okay, now this is step number 2. So in step number 2, these communications are done. So see, this communication in the sense, zeroth node will send this message to first node. First node will, in the second step, will send this message to second node. First node is sending this message to the second node. This is also the step number second. So here second node will send message to the third node. Okay, second step, these are the messages, those are sent from 3 to 4, and these are the messages, those are sent from 4 to 5. Okay, in second step, again this is the second step. So whatever the messages are there in the second step, those are sent parallelly or simultaneously. In the same way, this is the third step, right? This is the third step. So these steps are these messages or this communication are done parallelly or simultaneously. So all this communication will be done parallelly or simultaneously. Fourth step, this communication, this communication, this communication, this communication will be done parallelly. This is the fourth one. Fifth step, this communication, this communication, this communication, this communication will be done parallelly. Okay, so I think you have understood up till now. Now see, here if you observe, so messages get reduced. If you observe properly, so messages is getting reduced. Here also you will see messages are getting reduced. Here also you can see messages are getting reduced. Here also messages are getting reduced in the same way. In the same way, messages are getting reduced. So here clearly you can identify. Here there are the 5 messages. Here there are 4 messages. Here there are 3 messages. Here there are 2 messages. Here is only one message. So in each step, whatever the messages are communicated are getting decreased. Okay, every step one message is getting decreased. 5 messages, 4, 3, 2, 1. Likewise, one message is getting reduced or get decreased. So now we'll see what actual messages are getting sent. So you will understand properly. Now see, this is the zeroth process or zeroth node. It has some messages. What messages it has? It has 01, it has 02, it has 03, it has 04, it has 05. So I write side by side so you'll understand properly. Okay. So see, zeroth process. Okay. So this is zeroth process. Zeroth process. It has some messages. What messages it has? It has 0, comma 0. Okay. So I neglect 0, comma 0 because anyhow that zero process will keep that message itself only. So we'll neglect that. So it has 0, comma 1. It has 0, comma 2. It has 0, comma 3. It has 0, comma 4. It has 0, comma 5. These are the messages that zeroth process have. Okay, so see, last time I have told, and I have told, focus on this because that things will get repeated every time. So this is the source, while this is the destination. This is the source and this is the destination. This is the source and this is the destination. Source, destination, source, destination. Okay. In the same way, this is the first node. Okay, first process. This is the first process. First process, or you can say also first node also. It has messages. Which messages it will have? Now see. Which messages it will have? One is a source, zero is a destination. In the same way, 1 comma 1 it will have, but anyhow that it will keep that message with itself only, so we'll neglect that. So 1 comma 2, that is a 1 is the source, second is the destination. 1 comma 3, that means 1 is the source, 3 is the destination. Again in the same way, 1 comma 4, that means 1 is the source, 4 is the destination. In the same way, 1 comma 5, so 1 is the source, 5 is the destination. So in the same way I can write for all the other nodes. So suppose it is second process, so 20, 21, 23, 24, 25. Third process, 30, 31, 32, 34, 35. Likewise, every process, every node have these messages. Zero process will have these messages. First process will have these messages. Okay. Now see. So in the beginning, before communication is started, these processes have these messages like this. Okay. Now in first step, okay, this is the first step, right? This is the first step that I have told. This is the first step. This is the first step. In the first step, what the processes, what are the messages they have, they will share with the neighboring node. Okay. So any one direction we can go. So we are going in this direction. So we are going in anti-clockwise direction. Even that communication can be in both direction, or it can be you can consider it clockwise, or you can consider it anti-clockwise. Any direction you can consider. It can be in a both direction also. That will not be issue. But here we will assume that communication in this direction. Okay, means 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5 in this direction, anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so see, this is the first step. This is the first step, and these are the messages. Those are sent here. Okay, now see. So in the first step, what will be done? Zeroth process have these messages. So what zeroth process will do? Zeroth process will share these messages with the first process. Okay. First process have these messages. What first process will do? It will share this message with the second process or second node. Okay. So first process will share this message with the second process. Whatever the messages that second process have, it will share with the third process. Whatever the messages third process have, it will share with the fourth process. And same way, fourth will share with the fifth, and fifth process will share this message with the zero process, because we have formed a ring. We have formed a ring, so that's why communication will be like that. Here it is arrow. So likewise, this is the communication. It is going in this direction. Okay. So fifth process have these messages 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, and they're sharing with the this person. Okay, this is the first step. So first step is very clear. In the first step, these nodes, whatever the messages they have, they're sharing with the neighboring node. Okay, they're sharing with the next node, not neighboring node, because neighbors are on both the sides. So we are going in one direction. So they are sharing with the next node. 0 will share with 1, 1 will share with 2, 2 will share with 3, 3 will share with the 4, 4 will share with the 5, 5 will share with the 0. Now see, in second step, what communication are done? In second step, one message will get dropped. Now see, why message get dropped? See, in the first step, zeroth process will share this message with the first process, right? In the first step, zeroth process will share this message with the first process. Now see, this first process got this message 01. Okay, so anyhow that process this message is meant for first process only, because 1 is the destination. So there is no point to forward this message, as this message is made for first process only. So what first process will do, in second step it will forward this much message only, and that's why one message got dropped. So I think you will you have understood this. First step, zero process have sent this message to first process. Now in second step, what all the nodes they are doing, whatever the messages they got in previous step, they will forward these messages to the they will forward this message in next step. Okay, whatever the message these processes got in the second step, that messages these processes will forward in third step. Whatever the messages they get from the second step, they will forward in third step. Whatever the messages they got in third step, they will forward in fourth step. Whatever the message they got in fourth step, they will forward in a fifth step. Okay, but in every step one message is getting dropped. And what is the reason? So see, in first process, first node got this message, but as 01 was meant for first process, so it will not forward this message, just it will forward these messages only. In the same way, first node will share these messages, right? So 10 sorry 12, this message is made for second process only. Finally the destination of this message was for second process only, so there is no point to share this message with the third node. So what second process will do, it will drop this message, and what are the remaining messages are there, that is 10, 13, 14, 15, these messages second process will forward to the third process. Okay, so see, in each step one message getting dropped. So for example here it will be clear because all messages are written properly. So see, in first process, 5, whatever the messages it has, what message it has 50, it has 51, it has 52, it has 53, it has 54. So all messages will get transferred to 0. Okay, now see, in first step this message is got from the fourth step. So what see, here also 4 5, but 4 5 was meant for fifth process only. So what are the remaining messages are there, that 5 process will forward to 0. So see, here is a 40, 41, 42, 43. Okay, but there is no 4 5. Why there is no 4 5? Because 4 5 was meant for 5 only, so there is no point in forwarding 4 5. 4 5, that message 5 will keep with itself, and remaining message 40, 41, 42, 43, it will forward to 0. Okay, in next step. Okay, in next step, so by that time in second step it has got these messages, right? 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5. So out of that 3 5 will keep with itself only, 5 will keep 3 5 with itself only. Remaining messages 30, 31, 32, it will forward to next. So every time one message is getting dropped. Why one message is getting dropped? Because for those messages 5 was the destination. So what are the messages that 5 was the destination, so 5 will keep with itself only, and remaining message it will forward. So see, again one message is getting dropped, because in previous step it got 2021 202125. So 25 it will keep with itself, and remaining message will forward. In the same way here, previous step it has got this 15 and 10. So 15 is made for 5 only. So it in last step, see here in the fourth step, what it got 15 and 10. But this message is made for or meant for fifth node only. Okay, so remaining message 10, that it will forward in next step. So likewise, this is happening at every step here. Everywhere you can see here. Okay, even here see, this second node is communicating with 3. So whatever the messages they have, the second node have, it is transferring here. So it has 20, 21, 23, 24, 25. So it will send to this. So 23 was made for 3. So it will skip that, and remaining message will forward to 4. Okay, now see, this I made picture clear. In first step, 0, whatever the messages it has, that is 01, 02, 03, 05, that will forward to 1. What 1 will do, it will take out 0 1, right? It will take 0 1, it will keep with itself, and 0 2 to 0 5, it will forward to 2. So 0 2 is made for 2 only. So what are the remaining? 0 3 0 4 0 5. So 2 will forward these messages to 3. 0 3 is meant for 3 only. So what 3 node will do? It will keep 0 3 with itself and remaining messages 0 4 and 0 5, it will send to 4. Now see, 0 4 is meant for 4 only. So what fourth node will do? Remaining message. What is remaining? 0 5. So 0 5 it will send to the fifth node. Okay, likewise. So in 5 step, all this communication is done. In this way, these messages are sent to all the other nodes. Keep in mind, in the beginning, whatever the messages they are sent in the next step. Okay, and every time one message is getting dropped or getting reduced, and what is the reason? Because that node is keeping that message for which that node was the destination. So it will keep that message with itself, and remaining message it will forward. So in each step, so first step that will be done parallelly, second step will be done parallelly, third step will be done parallelly, fourth step will be done parallelly, fifth step are done parallelly, and at every step, see, for example, 5 node, whatever the messages it get in first step, so that will forward to the next step. Okay, whatever the message it got in third step, so that it will keep one message with itself, and remaining message it will forward to the next node. Likewise, all to all communication, personalized communication is done over ring topology. So it is very